me nyum fanya campaign papa na wo mo cheno no wo twini gridi no nkuna ni ma se ni bibi ni nana ne me Kwame Yogot me nana no ena wo be use me nyum e dey campaign me patu da nyum no use no da use but insusu so e beba me so e wo enyum na wo use as campaign because me I don't support NDC and I mean supporting MPP. Obi anso bi kan bibi say Jokwesin I mean now it is me de enyum na me for kins here no say me de me video to ase ono ayame nana Jokwesin ayame nana ono NMPP for na yen sa no o really simple hands down no mo twe no aye no court cobra and now you ube you sue nipa ne na nyom de aye wo campaign hey wasa o maybe I didn't tell you abese
You obviously me wa kwa ba na power extra so send that we need to say no near trendy with social media and quantity to necessarily abasa de aba abesom Kwame Yogot the warning be ababontin and one no go directly to the vice president Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ninsem nyina ene say Dr. Bawumia yusu onono Kwame Yogot nenyum enyum BBC enrachi Dr. Bawumia ko say oko present the filing documents I chess or person or standing as aspirant or MPP party ni mu no oko present no ne fan base e be hia ho ne enwuma no mo bo no wo say no mo bo Yogot tie na abusia na tiko apai all in the name say o say ne nana ene James Kwesi asen not MP na pempen ya me no wo kasai ne ho asem e wo Supreme Court no onana pa no nti no onti ase MPP for twene nana e wo bo so sei na mo san yusu ne nyum e dey mo campaign no he's not going to buy that enyum no oboka ano yeye nti no untumi e ma me fa ne nyum just like that beside that no so no mo ne nana ndi ne ye nti no mo pese like onana hu ni say or support mo ama maye no ne mo ye no ana ase den on person onana no ebe hu ni say bia he Kwame Yogot no is betraying him and you know you should put an end to it mama mu nyusu ne nyum ni biem ono a onye NDC ni ono onye MPP ni nanso onana ne James Kwesi ntino ompene ema mu nyusu ne nyum no awusia yenkohwe MPP national headquarters so enyum na entiema Kwame Yogot ebo abefu no iwia ni emfa Kwame Yogot so enwon ne kokoboard ma Dr. Bawumia no enso ento aso.
How is it possible say obi betimi afa onyum just like that so what the campaign abra wo artist no dem hwehwe just like that na yefa say yefa wo yefa nyum ne kan kra no enyum no ebra ma bra wo ho ne ekwan yefa no fanto nchan you do you know unim insusu so e beba me so e wo enyum na wo use as campaign because me I don't support NDC and I mean supporting MPP. Obi anso bi kan bibi say Jokwesin I mean now it is me de enyum na me for kins here no say me de me video to ase ono ayame nana Jokwesin ayame nana ono NMPP for na yen sa no o really simple hands down no mo twe no aye no court cobra and now you ube you sue nipa ne na nyom de aye wo campaign hey wasa o maybe I didn't tell you abese and you sue me nyum fanya campaign papa na wo mo cheno no wo twini gridi no nkuna ni ma se ni bibi ne nana ne me Kwame Yogot me nana no and I will be using me nyom e dey campaign me patu da nyom no use no da use but dem be can say the man should stop using my song. Bawumia, if I told Jamie, now you soon. Apara mo twene ase no mo twene fom no jokwesi no ne nana ne me hwe anim ubehu se ne nana ne Kwame Yogot me nana no me support NDC support me nana no ye NDC ni. So if I do a song for him me ya ma me nana ma anya ama NDC se won se me de enwum bi ato e friend say ni video ase na ma post o me wo I'm doing it because I'm not doing it because we're MPP new. I NDC near at MPP new. Please stop using my song. Stop using my song. It's not approaching him to pay. Kwame Yogot. Kwame Yogot where one side quoted those that person me on show you more Jimmy no. Sikani do the bayan kamaji because there is sika any day enyum na me maboka aye no. Hey, if I tell you a car a call BBC mu asana BBC you be na nkwa mbeka nkwase asem mogimi because won ti ase you feel say mujin say enyum na adwuma na ya agro enti no bitimi ye enyum na mutimi kasa enyum na nyede no mujin say ya agro on tina utimi some utimi ba e ka say o hit song eba o ka say hit song no enye ne twede keko e scanner o be shemu no na ye hit song unu mama for talent e billions asana bibi besi o e billions and a call BBC mu asana BBC baby BBC. I'm not me attack vice president me attacking the team. They should omo hina na me attack him. I was say omo hu say enyum na nipa na boy. O yusu nyu nipa obi nyum da campaign wa bre nipa ni nim ho say just like that. Ye me pesa me kan say me nye NDC ni e na me nye MPP ni. Inti nana Bawumia. O say ade yo. Mr. Vice, Israel, and you need to use Bibi Basin, a yami, minimum, a yami, and a boka, and you monoka, a ye bibia. Until Mr. Vice, and you need to use a bima Jimmy, and I had between one and I say, hey, when my mouth for his song say good name. Real music in ma. You would be the reason why an artist be na look alike for no or more much chance na me try say no because I mean himself what the more can hear right because you name sika any panel or akọ any panel as artist no or your investment or full investment will be investment medical we na ho sa no e sika na akọ no ho ano ayese medical na we na ho no. So we shatawala is kana mana esa nti wono na as a person who jan on investment even so shiri ni sika bibia na ade kra ono wani pa no jan we investment kesti because sika kono enti enya say we anyum keke no ananyum na blue. You can do songs with big stars. You can do songs with any big star in Ghana. If you don't push it with money, it won't blow. Now, munja Jimmy, no. Because that's my brother say. You same people, and I'm like I say, hey boy, blow power. We say we need here. No. I do me be na me niska. I'm a watch me. I can't take phone and call Mr. President. I can't take phone and call Mr. Vice. Say me niska. You want me to approach him because of a penny. That penny need we the man we respect that. But hey, any panel or investee or new mono unimo bia unkobi afoma. And got someone kwana yekuani. The person who invested in a song, no, unimo no so you expect that person to go and see Bawumia. Unimi panel investee or new. So you want who person any panel and then call company chow. And the panel abone kano aye enyom a pushy artist no did I do level be no I will use the product no you want him on send to car somewhere fear make I say Bawumia you are using my song yeah I'm not talking for myself oh but it will be business do you know what like unim me sha tari we ya e ni pa o na to beto phone egi nipa sika o beto tade asha meto fuela it's somebody sponsoring me and we say nipa nsunya ni sika and you expect say you come what be funny property and you expect say any yes so may approach you
obusia yenyina yakuti Kwame Yogot nsema waka efa baby no he is speaking sense because untumi mfiti pekope mfa obi nyum mfa nye o program mfa nye o campaign no there should be a proper channel efa baby nso no Kwame Yogot eba bontin so hard because you should know say one he is the sitting vice president into no respect bia here say what the man no or so the man I don't think say who approach Bawumia team with this omo ebe neglect one on baby visa yeah but minim say yaw ne ase ni na akoba mu say bia ye de ne gina court e pese yi na se akonwa no enu nti na ma bia Kwame Yogot so ebe keka nsem we but under normal we need the send your man your norms and culture no you see o say odi obuo emane obuo eden efata no ha pa extra ha enemrebe me Kwame ya de mu asi